Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna open my first LOL doll. See.
How did you get this doll, Abhigya?
Oh, I got this doll from doing a challenge. It was a challenge of sleeping by 10. My mom and dad gave me the challenge of sleeping by 10. And I have to sleep 10 by a lot for 10 days. So now I open this since now I've opened it, so I got my secret code. So I think I don't know what is it, so let me take the clue. Top knot. So now let me open it. So I actually don't know how to open it. Oh, here's the zipper. Oh, that's not a zipper, that's just a picture. Ugh. I don't know why I'm just a bit confused, but it's okay. I think I should open it here. My new LOL baby Horizon doll. So this might be the zipper. Yeah, this is the zipper chain. Yay. Now I can hold it. Now the next surprise is of the LOL. I don't know what is it. A little. I don't know which one is this doll. But let me still predict. I think it must be my favorite. But she doesn't have the dress, so I know. You don't know. My baby LOL doll. Oh, which one did I get? I think I also like this one. Oh, get this cute one.
It looks like she has purple hair.
Yeah, of course she does.
Show me the doll. Show me the doll for once.
She's really cute.
Is she? Oh, yeah, she is.
And this is something, no, what is this? Oh, I don't know much about that, but I think it's a jumpsuit here. Yeah. And she has real hair. Now let me put you in your jumpsuit. Yeah. Come on in. I think, yeah, this is the right way to put her in. Now, that's my jelly outfit. She wears this jelly outfit. This is her jelly outfit.
What's the jelly outfit? Can you show me?
It's the jelly outfit. Now, you can also use this one if you like. And these are the, I don't know what are these called, but it's something called. It was called like something. I don't know what is this. Might be a ball. Now, whoa, another. Oh, how to open? It's baby bottle. So first, this is a comb, so I can stick it in her hair like that. It's a bow comb. I can do it any way I want. These are her stickers.
Show me.
I got a little patch of stickers. Wow, I like it.
So what are the stuff that you've got? This is a jelly whatever.
Jelly outfit. Now I think I need the scissor. Oh yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out. This is its baby bottle. So I'll try it out a little later. Now I don't know where it's its shoes. So I think it's this. Maybe. Yeah. Scissor. Okay, my dad's opening it. Yeah, so what did I get now? These are little bangles. Yeah, that's it. I got it. This is a little bangle. Choti. Cute bangle. And the other one, I think it goes here. Yeah, it goes here. So now let's see which one did I get. So this is the checklist. So this is a little bit part of the series. So this one is my favorite. Her name is Platters. This one. Now, let's see. We got Darling Diva. Darling Diva. Her name is Darling Diva.
I'm sure she looks like a darling.
Yeah, she is Darling Diva. See? That's Darling Diva, and this is the real one. Real LOL.
So what all stuff have you got? Can you just put it together?
Just a second. Now let me just open the last. A few more blind bags are left. So I don't know where is the little. So this is a funny facing thing. Yeah. Just blind Maggie. Can you open?
And there's another one.
That's the last one too. That's the booties, yeah, that's the shoes. I think it's a boot or something. This is a necklace, this is a necklace, this is the necklace.
Show me the necklace, please.
This is little necklace for a little baby, a little yellow L. So here she wears it. Here. The next one are two little booties. I mean shoes. So she wears it like those. They're little small, but they do fit her. So like she's really cute. I love my first LOL. She's really cute.
Can I have it in my hand?
Yeah, you can should see it.
Okay, so the little one is ready with her necklace and her shoes
And the little
and her
baby
dress
bottle.
and bangles
And little baby
and the
bottle.
baby bottle. Is there anything else left?
No, nothing. Now let's check it out. Now we should check it out, I think. So I think it's good like it's not that. Okay, so that's a little confusing. So I don't know how to really do